i-take ko yung order nung same order nung nasa harapan kanina.
Okay, yung pinaka-total na lang sabihin kasi.
Okay.
Bali, ang total niya sir is 142 lang.
Hi everyone!
Hello!
So today ang gagawin namin is pupunta kami ng McDonald's. Tapos, ano ba yung challenge na yun?
I forgot it. Ordering the same order in front of, parang ganun.
Yeah, parang ganun.
Say it's English.
So exciting! So time check, it's already 5:30 PM. So naisip lang namin gawin siyang parang random lang ganyan. Kasi nag-iisip kami kung anong dinner namin. Pero wala kaming maisip. So parang random lang na sabi namin gawin na lang namin yung challenge na yun.
Yes.
There's the McDonald's, guys. I'm super excited. Ayan na, guys. Yung asarapan namin is motor.
Hello.
Hi, good afternoon. Welcome to McDonald's drive-thru. May take order, please.
I-take ko yung order nung same order nung nasa harapan kanina.
Okay, yung pinaka-total na lang sabihin kasi.
Okay.
Bali, ang total niya sir is 142 lang.
Okay, thank you. Hello.
Hi.
Nag-vlog pala si Sir.
Yes.
Sige, Sir, sa'yo
Say hi, guys.
Lahat ng pera ko.
Say hi to our vlog. Okay lang include namin kayo sa video.
Oo naman, Sir. Panoodin ko ngayon mamaya.
Thank
Ang
you.
masarap yan.
Si Jamia.
8 pesos.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much. Okay, so, ayun na. Babait na talaga ng mga crew ng mga McDonald's. What's gonna be our order?
Hello. Can I ask for ketchup?
Evening.
Good evening. Dalawa lang. Thank you.
Yes. Say hi.
Yeah.
Thank you.
Grabe naman sila.
Oh my God!
Now we will check what's on the
Okay, so there you have it, guys. Our order.
One crispy chicken sandwich and one crispy chicken fillet. Alaking, I think that's. Oh, it's gravy.
Oh, our favorite. It's eating time.
Can I have ketchup?
So let's eat, guys. Crispy chicken fillet ng McDonald's is so good.
Can I have that?
Yeah, we change. Mainit din yung rice nila.
Bago nga. Higit sa lahat, hindi puto.
Yeah. Good gravy.
It's very good.
So there you have it, guys. Tapos na kaming kumain ng McDonald's. And also thank you so much McDonald's kasi very approachable ng mga crews nyo. And yun, ang sarap ng food kasi mainit pa, bagong luto.
Thank you everyone.
Thank you everyone for watching.
Bye.